Subscribe for some awesome videos. Hey guys, welcome back to Tracksuit. In today's video, I'll be making a tracksuit for my Equestria Girl doll. However, this can be resized for other dolls. Plus, if you like just make the pattern bigger, yeah. So before this video begins, be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this one, and so you don't miss out on some fun things. So anyways, let's get started. So I'm cutting something like this. So it's folded on one side. I was using an old pair of shorts, that's why it has the cuffs. You might have to sew on cuffs if you don't have like an old pair of shorts or any old fashion you can use. Yeah, and then when you open it up, it's like that. So right now, all I have to do is hem the top, or like do a casing on the top and hem the side like this. However, when I was hemming the right side, I made sure to leave the casing open and I didn't hem the casing closed, so that way I can put the elastic. Next, I'm going to hem the in-between part like so. And then all we have to do right now is flip it inside out the elastic. So now we're just going to flip it inside out. I forgot to mention this part of the video is sped up for twice the speed, I think. Yeah. So we're almost done. And yeah, next we have to put the elastic through the casing. So what I'm doing for this is I'm taking my Rainbow Dash doll, like measuring or like tying the elastic around her waist, or like just wrapping it around her waist, and then I'll leave a tiny bit extra just for room so that I can tie it easily. Yeah, but not too much extra, just a bit, just so you can tie it. Next, I'm taking a bobby pin. Lots of people use safety pins for this, but I like using bobby pins, especially for doll clothes. So let's do this, and I'm just tying my elastic through it. And now remember that area in the casing that we didn't like hem when we were hemming the right side? That's where you're gonna put your elastic through. So, however, there's another way you could do this, and that's why if you did accidentally hem the right side, don't worry, you can cut a slit into your pants in the casing, and don't like cut the slit through both sides, just one side, cut a slit through it, and then you can just easily pull it through that, like use that slit to do it, hope that makes sense. And then once you're done that, you're pretty much done your pants. So anyways, I'm done. Let's move on to the jacket. So I'm cutting something like this. You can use basically a long sleeve t-shirt pattern for this part. Yeah, I just like roughly cutted this out. So basically what we're going to do now is, so those two pieces, we're basically sewing a long sleeve t-shirt, but with like a slit in it, so for like the jacket, if that makes sense. So we're just sewing the top to like shoulders, yeah, like that, with a zigzag stitch. I did use a straight stitch on one side though, yeah. And then you can open it up like so. I'm so sorry for my bad camera work here. Yeah. And then we're gonna sew the sleeves on. The sleeves can be difficult, but try your best. Yeah, and a zigzag stitch again. We're using a zigzag stitch this whole time. Now we sew the sleeves, and we're gonna basically fold down our thing like that, like so, and then we're gonna sew it off the bottom and then across the arm of the sleeve, and we'll do it on both sides. I hope this makes sense. Yeah, that like so kind of. So just a right angle triangle kind. And I'm also gonna hem the cuff, the neckline, and like the jacket part. Now I'm done. I just have to make it inside out. Yeah. So basically what we're doing is making a long sleeve t-shirt, but there's like a scut in it. Like one side is open, and then we're gonna hem those two sides. And yeah, pretty much we're just making a long sleeve t-shirt. I like using a pencil when I'm flipping my clothing inside out. It can be helpful, but be sure not to get it in the strings, or else you might risk damaging or like breaking or like tearing your clothing. Yeah. I'm so sorry that it's blurry here. I didn't think of putting it in focus. Yeah. And then you're done. I lost my Rainbow Dash doll shoes before, like during the process of making this. So yeah, I'm really good at losing doll shoes. That's why half my shoppies don't have them. But there is one more thing I'm doing. I'm adding some white accents. Like you might have saw them in the beginning of the video. I'm doing this with hot glue, but I think a sewing machine would be much better, or like hand sewing it, because it would make it less stiff, and it would look a lot nicer if you hand sewed it, or if you use a sewing machine. Yeah. So basically I'm just putting it on the sides of the pants, and then the arms, and then like in the middle part of the jacket. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye.